This is KIKIDO with the model number KK314. It's a hair trimmer, and these are the specs. 2 hours charging time, 180 minutes operating time. Got 5 watts, 1500 milliamp battery. So that's it. This is it. KIKIDO. Inside the box, you got some guide combs, I guess 3 or 4. Oh. You got charging cable and the manual. That's it. This is the trimmer. So got 7,000 RPMs. I was checking it before. So got a finger thumb resting place here, which is good. And it can fit TPOB, cycle blade, or any other blade, you know. So let me. And this blade is not bad, I have to tell you, but you cannot zero gap this blade, but it's cut good. And if you want to take it to another level, you can put a cycle blade on it or the crazy blade. Okay, when you remove it, then it's like this. So if you want to put other blades on it, wait a moment, let's see. So you cannot zero gap this blade. And I guess they put extra cam follower inside the box. So that's not relevant. So this one, crazy blades. So if you want to put crazy blade or cycle blade, you don't need this bracket. So you need to remove the brackets. And the spring. You don't need them. You just need this one. So as you can see, that's all you need. Right. Now let's try and make an RPM test with this crazy blade. So come on, boy. Okay, here you are. It's not bad. In case if maybe you want to know, the motor that fits on this hair trimmer is FF280. So this one got 3 volts. So in case if maybe you want to change or do something, you know. So the motor is FF280, 3 volts. That's it for the unboxing of this KIKIDO. Peace.